Tired of air fryers that sneak in toxic coatings and mystery materials? We've rounded up the safest, smartest models that actually deliver crispy results, all without compromising your health. From dual basket beasts to compact countertop champs, these picks are built for clean cooking and real convenience. No sketchy chemicals, just pure performance. COSORI 11-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. This one's a multitasking beast in a compact shell. You get rotisserie, toast, bake, roast, and reheat functions packed into a 13-quart footprint that won't hog your counter. It's perfect for small kitchens or studio setups where space matters. COSORI's newer models have stepped away from questionable non-stick coatings, and this one feels like a safer bet. The accessories are actually useful, not just filler, and the recipe book is surprisingly decent for getting started. It's not flashy, but it's reliable and flexible. Cuisinart TOS70 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This is the one you get if you want that classic stainless steel vibe with serious cooking power. It's got an oven-style layout, so you're not just air frying. You're baking, grilling, broiling, and warming like a pro. The 1800-watt power means it heats fast and cooks evenly, and the 60-minute timer is great for hands-off meals. No sketchy coatings here, just solid metal and convection heat doing its thing. It's a bit bulky, but if you've got the counter space, it's a workhorse. Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Air Fryer. This one's all about convenience and crispy results. The dual baskets are a game changer if you're cooking for two or want to separate flavors, like fish in one, fries in the other. The digital controls are intuitive, and the shake reminder is a nice touch for even crisping. Just double check the basket material before buying. Some versions still use PTFE, but newer ones are moving towards safer alternatives. It's sleek, easy to clean, and great for quick, low-oil meals. Ninja DZ401 Foodi Dual Zone XL. This is the family-size powerhouse. 2 independent baskets mean you can cook mains and sides at the same time, and the Smart Finish feature syncs everything to finish together. It's got 6 cooking modes, including roast and dehydrate, and the build quality feels premium. Ninja's been shifting towards ceramic coatings lately, which is a big win for health-conscious users. If you're cooking for a crowd or batch prepping, this one's hard to beat. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QTXL. From the folks who made pressure cookers cool again, this air fryer is compact but mighty. It's got 6 functions: broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat, and bake. And it does them all well. The basket is dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver, and the app integration gives you access to a ton of recipes. Most importantly, it's one of the few mainstream models that consistently avoids toxic coatings. If you want something safe, simple, and solid for everyday use, this one's a no-brainer. Healthy cooking shouldn't come with hidden risks. These non-toxic air fryers prove you can get golden, crispy meals without the chemical baggage. Whether you're batch prepping or just reheating leftovers, there's a clean, reliable option here for you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more gear that's safe, smart, and seriously satisfying.